Red's ear.
Hello, Red's ear.
Red's ear.
Oh, listen to mom, eh? Yeah,
fish.
fish. Yeah, fish.
Where is Red's ear?
Red's ear. Red's
Ear. Very good. Where is mom's nose? Very good. Where is mom's shoulder? Mom's shoulder. Very good. Dadilo's hand. There. Dadilo's knees. Dadilo's knees. There. Where is baby's underarm? Red's underarm. Can I smell? Let me smell Red's underarm. Where is mom's? Not yet. Where is mom's cheek? Mom's cheek.
Mom's cheek.
Hi, auntie. Mom's cheek. Where? There. Red's chin. Very good. Mom's neck. Very good. Red's hair. Red's hair. Very good. Where is baby Red's toes? There. Where is Red's eyebrow? Mom's eyebrow. Very good.
Mana?
Kiss mom.
Mana?